Vice Admiral Biswajit Dasgupta is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy. He was commissioned into the Indian Navy in 1985 and is a specialist in navigation and direction. He has commanded 4 frontline ships, including the missile corvettes INS Nishank, INS Karmuk, stealth frigate INS Tabar and the aircraft carrier INS Virat. Pakistan Air Force last month took delivery of one more Saab 2000 ERI IAEWNC aircraft, which is 4th Saab 2000 ERI IAEWNC aircraft which PAF has inducted since 2019. Balakot airstrike was conducted by Indian Air Force. PAF now has a fleet of 7 Saab 2000 ERI IAEWNC aircraft. China's first unmanned helicopter designed for high-altitude operations recently made its maiden flight, which the People's Liberation Army eventually plans to deploy along its border with India. While its main tasks are reconnaissance and communication relay, but when equipped with additional equipments, it can also run electronic attack, target indication, nuclear radiation, and chemical contamination reconnaissance, according to an AVIC statement. IUCAV-UHF-20 engine under development for the Ghatak unmanned combat aerial vehicle. In the next phase will conduct a study on core enhancement of the same engine once it begins testing phase in the next 3 years, said informed sources close to idrwo.org. IUCAV-UHF-20 engine, which is a non-afterburning engine with 52 kN thrust class, will be developed for Ghatak program, and in the second phase, an afterburning version will be developed with 85 to 90 kN thrust class so that it can be offered to replace F404GEIN-20 engines at a later stage in Tejas Mach 1A fleet. Pilots in India are testing aircraft display systems that work by tracking and responding to eye movements and could let military pilots keep their hands on the plane's controls more often while flying. Modern aircraft have electronic display systems that show information such as the plane's fuel level, imaging system, or geographical position. Pilots can click the screen to the relevant page of information as needed, but this requires taking one hand either off the plane's throttle or control stick.